Good morning, guys. Sorry for the delay here. I missed this last night. Rishi's got a little charity raffle here. Zach Grinke and Yasiel Puig. Everything's going to Hiccups. Cool stuff, Rishi. We are live. Time here in Cleveland is 9:39 a.m. Grab our 30 spot list right here. Oops. There we go. Copy that over. Dice roll needs to be more than a 7. 6 roll again, 5 roll again, and we'll go 8 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, that's 7 times. Dice rolls at 8. Next lick wins. Good luck. 8. Congratulations, spot number 26, Brandon Silva. You got it. 30 items. Brandon Silva in the 26th spot right there. Randomized at 8 times. Dice roll was at 8. Time in Cleveland is 9:39. About to hit 9:40 a.m. We are done. Thanks, guys.